Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be finishing the transformer decoder layer. So in the previous video we saw the multi-head attention. In this video we are going to be seeing this layer, which is actually a layer that has two linear layers. Okay, so just to make it clear, let's see how it is. Maybe divide. So the output of the previous layer, maybe I can show it here. It was I called it final output, but in this video I'm going to be calling it X. Okay, so X, which is the final output we saw in the previous video, has a dimension of SL by E. So the first linear layer has W1 and B1, linear layer 1 and linear layer 2, which has W2 and B2. They would be used to transform this X. This W1 has a dimension of E by E. This has a dimension of E by E. Similarly, this E by E. Sorry, this is E by 1. This is also E by 1. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to, so this X has first it will go through linear layer 1, then linear layer 2. So let's say output 1 to be X W1 transpose plus B1 transpose. When we do, we know the dimension, so we'll end up with a tensor that has a dimension of SL by E. And this output, this will actually go into a ReLU. After we get this, it will be pushed into a ReLU activation function to get another tensor that also has a dimension of SL by E. ReLU doesn't change the dimension. So I'm going to call this XR. So the output of this goes into ReLU, which has a dimension, of SL by E. And I'm going to be calling it XR. Okay. So I'm going to say output 2 is going to be XR, output of the previous layer, XR multiplied by W2 transpose plus B2 transpose. The output of this will not go into any ReLU. So we'll end up with a tensor of dimension SL by E. So I'm going to say final output, let's say final output to be X plus output 2. And this final output, what we get here, is going to be updated to be the norm of final output. Okay, so literally this is the same as just saying, output of this is going to be normalized. To get a final tensor of, the output of the transformer decoder layer, this is the tensor to be of dimension SL by E. Okay, so this is the output of the transformer decoder layer. And yes, so we are done with the transformer. We have seen the transformer encoder. We have seen the transformer decoder. And this is it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put in the description the playlist to the transformer encoder layer. And if you have not seen the previous videos, please make sure you watch them. Thank you. Bye bye.